It's like having a house that's three-quarters of the way built already, and then you just put your finishing touches on it and sell it as a new product, and people are making millions and even billions of dollars, or at least building a company that's worth billions of dollars by doing that.
People are literally making billions of dollars from this. The thing is with AI right now, you don't have to be a programmer. You don't have to have a crazy amount of skills. In fact, there is a tool that's out there with all kinds of programming knowledge already there that people are using right now to make companies worth billions of dollars. That tool is stability.ai. This is a tool that allows people to do many different things, specifically creating photos from an open source model. This was created for you. Open source means that people can use the code from this platform however they like. For example, an app was created called Lensa that went viral. It was the #1 app for a while. But what people don't know is that behind the scenes, they're using stability.ai. They're using OpenFusion behind the scenes. Now, this company, this app is worth billions of dollars. So the point is, use Stability AI, use open source, use AI to make a second layer on top of it, and you can make potentially billions of dollars.
You know, that's amazing because Stability AI came out and they are one of the leaders in image generation using AI. But the interesting thing is they went completely open source. So that just means it's available to anybody. Like the code is available to anybody. And then if you've got a decent developer, they can customize that code and make it fit whatever application you want to create. But the underlying code is already there. So it's like having a house that's three-quarters of the way built already, and then you just put your finishing touches on it and sell it as a new product, and people are making millions and even billions of dollars, or at least building a company that's worth billions of dollars by doing that. We just shared one example, but there's lots of examples of companies that are riding on top of this stability.ai, the stable diffusion open source code. So the opportunities are endless right now, especially when the AI is open source like this one.
So sometimes you think about, hey, can I make $5 online? Can I make $100 online? You need to raise your limits because the potential and actual fact is billions of dollars right now are being made with AI. So why can't it be you?
And it's a lot like the early days of the internet when lots of money was being thrown at internet companies, brand new internet startups. That's what's happening right now with AI. Tons and tons of money is being thrown at AI startups right now. Some are going to make it, some are not going to make it. But the bottom line is you can't ignore this amazing trend, this wave. So on this channel, we show you all different kinds of ways to make money with AI, from making $150 in 15 minutes all the way up to making billions, right? And it's up to you which one you want to take and which one appeals to you. So that's why we recommend that you join our AI newsletter. It's totally free, 100% free. And in this free AI newsletter, you're going to get the latest information, news, resources, and strategies for making money with AI. Not only is the newsletter free, but you also get entered to win a $200 hotel stay certificate. All free subscribers and paid subscribers get entered into that drawing, and we do those drawings all the time. So be sure to join that free newsletter. The link will be in the description below, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.